Hello, and today we'll be seeing how we can make use of the mobile application that we have created for the Magento 2 platform based web stores. So, for your Magento 2 online web store, now you have the mobile application, what different options are there, how it gets visible to the customers on the Android devices or the iOS devices. As you know, that this particular app is a native app for the Magento 2 platform based web stores. So, without any further delay, let's hop on to the mobile end. But before that, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then kindly do give it a thumbs up. So, I'll just take you to the Android end today, and it can also be installed for the iOS devices. So, but for now, we'll be showing you the complete workflow of this mobile application that we've created for the Magento 2 platform based web stores. In the next video, you can check the backend configuration that is used for this particular mobile application itself. So, whatever you see here can be configured from the admin backend panel itself. So, let's hop on to the mobile end now. So right now you can see that I've installed the Magento 2 mobile application on my Android device, and I'll be opening it up by just tapping on it. And the very first thing that we'll see is a splash screen, so you can configure it as per your requirement there. And here we are on the home page, as you can see, and it is having multiple sections to divide it into usable sections, like we have the offers for you, featured products, hot deals, new products, daily deals, fashion accessories, best offers, trending now, and recently viewed products. To go back, I'll just tap here on the bottom on the back to top button, and at the very top you can see the what we say as the shop by categories. So it's situated on the top of the home page, from where the customers can find a product according to the respective categories they want to access. So for example, if I go to the women's, all of the products within the women section would be displayed. So you can see all the products of the women are being shown. Let's go back. On the left hand side, we have a drawer, and from here we can log into our account as well. Right now I've already logged into my customer account, and here are my recent orders. So let me do one thing. Let me go back and let me log out of this particular account. I'll just tap here on the log out. Now as you saw that on the home page, we can also set up the products and categories within this carousel, and after tapping that up, the customer would be redirected to the respective link that has been attached. You also have the view all button to view all of the features product, and it's same regarding the other sections that we have created here. Now on the left hand side, to sign into your account, you'll have to tap here on the sign into your account option, and then brings up the option wherein you'll be able to sign in with your email, or you can create an account, a new one, or you can also use the social networks to log into and register yourself at the Magento 2 web store using the Magento 2 mobile application. So for now, I'll sign in with the email, and after that I'll enter the email and the password and tap on the sign in button, and this would basically all right. For the fingerprint, I'll just make it as no for the time being. So I've been logged in, as you can see, Veronica Costella, and now we can add the products into the cart and can make a checkout thereafter. And as we have the featured products, so basically these are some of the exclusive collection of this store that are meant to be highlighted. So they are appearing here as per the system that has been set by the web store admin in the backend configuration of the Mobikul mobile app builder. And here you can see that we have the account options like dashboard, wishlist, orders, downloadable products, reviews, account information. Apart from that, we also have the language change option. So here you can see that we have multiple languages. It supports RTL and LTR languages as well. So if I go for the Arabic one, you'll see that it would completely change into the Arabic language. So there is no bar now for making use of this particular app in any other language as well. So now I'll just tap on the three horizontal lines on top right hand corner, and you can see this particular section is also in Arabic right now. So I can also change the language. Let's make it as English for the time being. And apart from that, you can also change the currency that's being used there within the mobile app. So just give me a second for that. So we are back on the home screen right now, and to check the categories on the side draw, you can tap here on the categories, and that would basically bring up the complete list of categories within the store. So right now under what's new, you can see different products are there. Let's go to the women, and here we have the category image. We have the tops, bottoms, and some of the products being displayed. If I tap here on the tops, we'll see the tops. For the bottoms, we'll see the bottom. The same goes for the men's collection as well. So here you can see that the child categories are also being displayed. This one is the gears section, and similarly you can access any other ones. Here we also have the AR products, as you can see. So to give you gist about that, I'll just show you in a moment from now how we can set this AR, or how we can check the AR functionality using this mobile application for the rock vase that you can see, the first one that is here. So for now, let's go back. So on the side panel, we have the categories, the account options for the customer. We have the different website, what we say as the views. And let's go back. We also have the language change. We have the currency change options. Apart from that, we also have the settings section from where the customers can set up the options to allow all the notifications being shown to them. It can be of the orders, offers, or for the abandoned cart as well. Apart from that, you can also see the offline data is here, and if you've enabled the track and show recently with products, then even if there's no internet and you had already loaded that page, then those products and the section would be displayed still without the internet as well. Apart from that, you can enable or disable the track and show search history here, and you can also clear out the history as well as the recently viewed products. So you can see that I've cleared those up. Let's cancel that out. And under the other section here, we have the policy, privacy policy, about us section, customer services, compare product option, and contact us section. So under the dashboard, the customer can find the complete list of recent orders. He can see his addresses and the reviews as well. He can also edit his info by tapping here in the edit info, and that takes him to the account information section, wherein the customer can change his first and last name. He can also opt to change the email or change the password as well as required. Let's go back, and here you can see the recent orders that the customer has placed. Here, going to the address tab, you can see the default and the default billing and the shipping addresses. And then under the reviews, you can see here the reviews that this particular customer has given on the various products there. And here we have the view all product reviews as well. Topping that up would bring up the complete list of product reviews. So that was about the dashboard for the customer. We have the wish list. If any of the products are liked with the customer, he can add them to the wish list and can later then make them into the cart and can make a checkout thereafter. So right now let's place an order. So I'll just move this particular Summit watch into the cart, and there are a few products already in the cart as well. So let's check that. So we have the Fusion backpack and the Sport watch and the Summit watch as well. Customers can also apply the discount coupon codes if required, and they can also change the quantity from here, and they can move the products into the wish list. So for example, if I move this one to the wish list, it would be removed from the cart and added to the wish list. So we can also continue shopping and can empty the shopping cart. Here we have the order total that needs to be paid. So let's tap here on the proceed button, and under the shipping here we have the shipping address. So here's the shipping methods. Let's check the table rate there and tap on the proceed. And under the review and payments, we'll have to choose the payment mode. For now, I'll be choosing it as check money order. Here's the order summary. Let's place the order. So we've just placed the order. As you can see, that the order has been placed with the order number 130. Let's tap on the continue shipping. If I want to check my order, I can go to my orders section and they will find this particular order. That's order number 130. As you can see here, we can check the details of the item that we have ordered. We had 2 items in that, and we can reorder or can write a review as well for this one. So if you tap on the review button, you'll be redirected. But before that, because we have 2 products, we can choose any of the one for which we want to put the review. Good product, liked much, and then we can okay. So we need to give the ratings as well first, then the rest. And now we are submitting the review for moderation. After it's been approved, it would be visible on the respective products there. Now let's go back, and here you can also see the downloadable product section. If you have downloaded any of the digital products, those would be available here for the download, as you can see right now. So we have a list of complete downloadable products as well. Let's go back, and then we have the address book, account information. We've checked that. Let's go to the product reviews. So here the customer can find the complete list of reviews that he has given for the products. So at the top one, you can see that we had submitted one review there for this Summit watch. And let's see if it's no, it has not yet been approved by the admin. Apart from that, on the product pages, you can see the complete details of the product. You have the option to compare, wishlist, share, details of the product, more info regarding the same, and the product reviews as well. So that's about the product page. And on the left hand side, we have gone through the preferences here. Rest, we have the policy, privacy policy, and the other details, and a log out button at the bottom to log out of the mobile application itself. Now what about the search? So at the very top, you can see we have a notification icon. Here all of the notification, the push notifications sent out by the admin would be visible to the customer. As you can see right now, and tapping that up would redirect the customers to the specific URL added by the admin. Now to the left of this notification icon, you have a search box. So from here you can search any of the products within the store in the global catalog. So you can see that we have the search suggestions as well. As soon as I've entered submit, I've not tapped on the enter button, but the popular or the relative products are being showed here. We can also make an advanced search by tapping here on the advanced search. And here in the advanced search, you can enter the product name, its SKU, description, short description, the price range, and then you can also search using the advanced search. Apart from that, if you want to search the products using the image, you can tap here on the camera icon. Then you can search by scanning the text or the image. So for example, we have the Summit watch, so we can tap on the text and it would recognize what exactly is there in the text, and accordingly he'll be providing us with the search results. The same goes with the image as well. So if we are scanning the image of a t-shirt, it would display the t-shirts as well. So for example, if I scan one image for the t-shirt, let's tap here on the image only this time. So here you can see that it's basically I'm searching it out from the mobile end. It has recognized eyelash, mouth, and pattern, and these are the keywords within the t-shirt itself. The ninja having the eyes, his mouth, and the pattern that has been made on the t-shirt itself. Now let's go back, and this time we'll be doing it the search with the text. So here you can see that it's reading JPG itself. For example, if I go to the new folder, just give me a second. Now let's scan this new folder once again. So you can see that it's automatically reading the new folder there. So similarly, you can search the product. And now let's go back and let me show you the AR products, how we can see the AR products using this particular Magento 2 mobile application. So for now, let me tap here in the rock vase. And here you can see that we have a cube icon there on the bottom right hand corner, just on the image that we have. So let me tap that up. I'll just choose only once, allow. The camera will open up. Now we need to scan the surface once, and now I'll just have to first scan. Just give me a second. And now let me put the vase there, and let's make it a bit small. So right now you can see the 3D vase itself. If you want to move it, you can move it in any direction there. Let's lower the height of these. So for example, you can see the top view as well for the vase, second vase, third. Okay, and you can make it big or small. You can place it anywhere else as well, and accordingly you can view the product in an augmented reality view. Now let's get back. Let's go back. So that's how you can basically view the products in AR as well, using the Magento 2 mobile application by Webkul. And that was much about the same. So that was much about the mobile, and I hope it helped you out in understanding how this particular mobile application for the Magento 2 platform-based web stores works, and how this particular native app makes it easy for the customers to easily and on the go do the shopping and the rest of the things as well. And if you like this particular video, do give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, queries, suggestions or requirements, kindly do reach back to us at support@webkul.com, raise a ticket at webkul@uvidesk.com. Apart from that, you can also reach out to us at https://www.webkul.com/contacts. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video, and have a great day ahead.